Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Samadhan. So we have been continuing with the Python and then with the machine learning series. So definitely keeping the context same, we will continue with the machine learning series here. Now we will understand like we use data for any machine learning. There is data has to be used. So here we will see now how to handle missing data in Python. So we won't get any Excel file or any CSV file or any file having complete data filled in it. There must be some values where we would find the data to be missed. So it will ruin our machine learning model. So did you know that missing data can significantly reduce model accuracy? But don't worry, Python provides powerful tools to handle missing values easily. So basically in this video we'll explore why missing data occurs, or how does it affect our ML models, and the best technique to handle missing values using the Pandas or the Scikit-learn library. So moving forward, we'll understand how to clean and pre-process your data set. So I have in the first video of the machine learning, I will add that also. There I have told you pre-process data. That means cleaning the data, which means to handle the like to handle the missing data there. So moving forward, so moving forward, and moving forward now, like imagine you are filling out a school form, but you forgot to write your phone number. But the missing phone number is like missing data in a data set, right? It's an empty value that we need to handle now. So now missing data could be some technical error, some corrupted data when we transfer a file, system limitations like sensors failing to collect readings, etc., and data privacy, intentionally removal of sensitive information. So these are the main, we can say, potential issues for it. Now detecting missing data. You can see here we use this data on the pandas or data frame. Then we will see like if there are some missing data available, and we have just run that code. Now you can see here. See, this is our data. Okay, and see here is our total missing values. So in each of the column we found out that these things were missing. Okay, so these are the missing values. So once we detect missing values, we can either remove them, like just remove them, or we can fill them with appropriate values. So approach one, we can use drop missing data, which is risky basically to drop any missing data. But yes, we can definitely use it, which is drop NA. So we can do it here itself. I will do here. So we will drop rows with missing values. Okay. Then df drop is equals to drop NA, and we will try to print it. Okay, now this is risky. Dropping the missing data is risky, but yeah, we will do that. Like it's one of the step. Sometimes it could be effective also. So when missing values are very few and won't affect the data set much, we can like fine with losing valuable data when too many values are missing, right? Now see, drop missing values. Now we can see these missing values are dropped now. Okay, now moving forward. Second approach is we can fill the missing values with specific value, which is a better way or better choice. So this is how we can fill it. Fill with 0. Where we find the missing value, fill with 0. We will see how does it now looks. We will run this code and see. You can see wherever we have found the missing values, we have filled it with 0. So 0 here, 0 with age, and 0 with name. So hope you have got it. So either way we can drop that value, but at that step where dropping data won't affect us much, then we can fill that values with 0, or fill column with some mean median or mode. So this fill column with mean median mode, so this is useful for numerical columns like age and salary. So for here, and what I am saying is that, So this is fine, the mean median, the dropping column with mean median. If we have a numerical way, so our age and salary is numerical, so there it would be definitely fine. Okay, now we can see here, see total missing, dropped missing values, here we dropped it. Then the same values we filled it with 0, 0, and with some median, actually median and mean. So it's median mean is basically useful for numeric columns. Now see here, these are the types how we can handle that missing value. So there is one thing where we can use a scikit-learn for missing values imputations. So instead of manually filling values, what we did, we can use this simple imputer. In the scikit-learn library, we will find it, which intelligently replaces missing value. It will replace that missing value because the code is embedded within it. So if I run this, it is running. So this scikit-learn also support other strategies like mean, what we did, replace the null data with mean of that some column. Median means replace that null with median, or most frequent is that mode, we say most common value. So you can see here that imputed data. So that library, the imputer, it smartly replaces that data, missing data. So things to keep in mind while handling the missing data is, shouldn't delete rows if missing data is too frequent. We need to use imputation, means this simple imputer method rather. We can use this fillna, which you can see here, this fillna. So this you can use for small missing values, and that simple imputer for advanced missing values. This one, this code. Yeah. So this is it. Now you know how to handle missing data using pandas and scikit-learn. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment missing data mastered if you made it to the end.